So right now we're in 5th gear. We're doing around 50 miles per hour, approaching a roundabout, and I want to go right 3rd exit there. Coming up to a roundabout here, so I'm just going to reduce my speed. Because I can't really see the right properly, I'm going to put my clutch down and go into 1st so that I can go really slowly. Check the right out, check the left, and then start moving, cutting over the roundabout because there's not enough space to be trying to go all the way around, so I can just cut across. On the approach to the next roundabout, I'm in 3rd right now, so I know I need to go into 2nd as I approach it. So center mirror, signal right. Around here, I'm going to reduce my speed and then get into 2nd gear with my brake on. Yeah, and then bring my clutch up. I'm braking the whole time smoothly. And then here, I'm going to go into 1st because the right is quite busy. There's quite a lot of things going on there. So I can go into 1st. This van's going to come towards us. But after the van, that car is turning his right, so I can start moving. And then give that person a bit of time to get out of my way. And then into 2nd and adding more gas. Right now I'm in 3rd gear, just under 30 miles per hour. So I'm going to go left at this roundabout. I'm going to go right actually. So center mirror, signal right. I want to approach it in 2nd, but then I can see the taxi's not moving. So I'm thinking about going into 1st. Yeah, so I'm going to go into 1st. Check this side out. He's turning that way, so then I can move. Got another roundabout pretty much straight away, so I don't need to worry about going into 2nd here. I'm just going to keep it in 1st because it's so close together. Keep it in 1st, check the side, and it's nice and clear. Then now I can add a bit more gas and go into 2nd gear. So right now I'm in 3rd gear, approaching a roundabout where I want to go right 3rd exit. So I know I'm already thinking about going into 2nd, but even before that, I can see there's a coach ahead of us, so the space is getting a bit small. So I need to think about going into 1st even, because I'm going really slowly now. And then now I can go back into 2nd. And then as I get closer to the roundabout, I'm already in the gear that I want to be in, so there's no point in me going into 3rd right now because traffic's going slow anyway. And I want to be in 2nd as I approach it. And then I might need to go into 1st depending on how busy it is. So you see people in front of me are slowing down. Yeah, so have my clutch ready. Let me go into 1st because there's people stopped in front of me, so it makes sense now to go into 1st. Checking the right from early, even though I'm not on the roundabout yet. Starting to check it from early so that I can see the kind of flow I've got to deal with. You can see the right, this person's turning, so then I can enter it in 1st. Because it's quite a large roundabout, I'm going to go into 2nd, just to make it smoother to go around, because going around these big roundabouts in 1st is not that smooth. Keeping to my side, signal's going to cancel, put it back on. Then once I get here, once I go past the 2nd exit, signal left, checking my mirrors, and then coming off in 2nd gear. So on those larger roundabouts, 2nd gear is much smoother as you're going round. On the smaller ones, if you've started off in 1st, just leave it in 1st as you go around. But on the bigger ones, depending on your speed, 2nd might be a better option. So right now we're in 5th gear. We're doing around 50 miles per hour, approaching a roundabout, and I want to go right 3rd exit there. So you've got to do this properly, otherwise you're gonna approach it too fast. The aim is to be in 2nd gear by the time we get to the roundabout. So you've got to plan it properly. We don't want to go into too early. We don't want to go into, or leave it too late. So around here into the bend, I can start reducing my speed so I'm not on the gas anymore. And then maybe even just touch my brake a tiny bit. Check who's behind me as well, how close they are. The whole time I'm remembering what gear I'm in. I'm in 5th right now. When I get to around here, I'm going to signal right. I can go straight from 5th to 2nd. It's not a problem. I'm just going to reduce my speed a bit more. And then around here, I'll get into 2nd. While the whole time I'm braking a bit more, bringing my speed down, gradually bringing my clutch up. Keep braking as well. And then now, once I get to this position, I want to aim for the middle lane and then signal left to let people know I'm coming off the next exit. And now I can go into 1 because I'm stopping for this red light. So right now I'm already in 2nd to go around this bend. So I'm going to keep it in 2nd as I approach this roundabout. Checking the right from early. It looks like it's getting a bit clearer on the right. Watching the people in front of me as well. We need to go left. Check one more time. It's nice and clear. So then I can make a move in 2nd gear. So if you plan it properly, you don't have to gear down or up. You can just leave it in 2nd, especially if you're already in 2nd. You can leave it in that gear and then carry on if it's safe.